Welcome, in front of me is Realme P3 Lite, and in this video I will show you what to do if Wi-Fi isn't working properly on the smartphone. First of all, swipe down the control center on your device and then try toggling your Wi-Fi by tapping on it to turn it off, and then once again to turn it on. You can also consider toggling airplane mode, so just turn it on and then turn it off, and then wait until your device reconnects to Wi-Fi, and then check if your issue is resolved. If it wasn't resolved, then tap the arrow icon next to your Wi-Fi and go to More. Select your Wi-Fi network and tap Forget and tap Remove. Then select your Wi-Fi network on the list, enter the password to it, and reconnect to it, and see if this helped. Also, if this didn't help, then you should consider restarting your phone and your router if you have access to it. To restart your phone, you have to hold down the power button and volume up key at the same time, then swipe the circle to restart option and wait until your device is restarted. After the restart of your router and your smartphone, check if the problem was resolved, and if it wasn't, there are some more troubleshooting steps. First of all, check your settings, scroll down to System and Update, open this menu, then go to Software Update and just check if your device has any updates to install, and if it does, tap Install. Somewhere right here you'll see the icon to download and install the latest update. This way you'll keep your hardware in touch with their software, so basically your device's feature like Wi-Fi connection in particular will start working better. If you updated your software and it didn't help you resolve your issue, then the last option that you can consider is resetting your network settings. To do that, go back to System and Update, then select Reset Phone, then Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. Tap Reset to confirm, and after that you're gonna have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi. So go back to Wi-Fi settings, then select the network that you want to connect to, enter the password once again, and tap Save. And then see if this issue was resolved. Now at this point, if none of these steps helped you, then you should reach out to Realme Customer Support Center, and maybe they'll guide you through some more troubleshooting steps I didn't mention in this video, or maybe you're gonna have to send them your phone for repair, because this might be your network card problem, which is the hardware problems, and it's not something that I can help you with. Although I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.